Okay. It's time to unbox the. Maybe I also unbox the diffuser. Who knows? The music. So there's a year actually LPs came back up. Taylor Swift had done some shit, but this is a vinyl player. My first experience with this was when his voice English was when I was living in Toronto with Cheos. Shout out Cheos. And he had one. I know people that's with the player and everything, but my first experience with a record was when a friend Conrad, shout out Conrad. Oh, this is bougie. I didn't know. I'd also never unboxed this. Gave me LPs. He gave me Michael Jackson's Thriller and Bob Marley and the Wailers, the Japanese version. So the artwork was in Japanese. That was so cool. I didn't understand it at the time, and I gave them out also as a gift. So anyway, probably the person who has them understands them. But today I get to unlock the player. So this is how I see my scissor. Is not meant. It's a beard trimmer. I'm here using it for these purposes. So here's how I see my record collection going, right? To me, records are not like I would not get a record of Kendrick. Sounds weird, but I'll get a record of that chick who sang "There are 9 million bicycles in Beijing." You get the difference? I would not find an album of hers and say listen to it fully, but if it's in record form, I might. That's how the experience of record is in my head. So I'm not just going to buy since I like the album. I go and buy the record. Not really. It's a different kind of experience. Plus, I want to collect them according to country. Sorry, not country. Like place visited. Like, hey, I got this record from my trip to LA, or this record from my trip to Zimbabwe, or this record from my trip to Europe. That kind of thing. In Albany, I looked for a store. I could not find one, but that's what I'll be doing. Instead of stop playing folded. I say a record store from a place, buy the thing, get to remember it. So this is a vintage suitcase turntable. Okay, looks smaller than I expected. Model R. I don't know what company is this. Okay. Ooh, hey, I love that. This is super dope. It is literally a suitcase. I didn't think they would actually go through with it, but it is a suitcase. Probably these will be useful later. New York is noisy, or New Jersey. At any point there's something humming or buzzing or drrring. Like, I don't understand. Hear that? That's, I think, someone's. Anyway, New York is noisy. New Jersey is noisy. Tomato. In one point, it is literally a suitcase, which is awesome. Why am I in glasses? Because why not? Life is too short not to be random. Ta-da! I don't have a record, so I won't be able to test this. Sadly, this is why I didn't want to unbox it until I bought at least my first record. Oh. Under this, this looks like you can only play the small ones. Let me see. Oh, it can also play the big ones. Just don't close it while it's doing that. Because they are bigger than the thing, so they'll be on the side. But yeah, most soccer players can play the big one. Warranty card, basic instructions, power cable, and if anyone hate the sound of that, these two things, styrofoam, so whatever they're made of, clinking each other. I wonder what this is a spare part to. Boop, 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 boop. There's nothing else to see here. But yeah, I would get a Thames record. I would never get an IRA record. Get the difference. But I'll listen to IRA, Sade record. No. So it does have inbuilt speakers, FM. Sometimes it's also a radio. Line out, left, right. Nothing else much. Okay. Oh, can also put Bluetooth. Interesting. Line in, phono, auto stop on, speeds. Yeah, you have to know the speed at which the record must be played. On. Oh, it has an headphone jack. But yeah, this will. Oh wait, this is the player. Wait, what? It doesn't have a pin. I think it does. Oh yeah, it does. So I'll make another video when I buy my first record. I just wanted to see what this is. This humidifier is flame diffuser humidifier. Flame. Okay. Super cool. Come pick up your clothes.
Spitting dope rhymes, I be killing, I be killing it. Top of my prime, in a real this the micro with the thriller. Got these rappers all shivering. They say
remote, and this I can test right away because remote for water here. Let us see that one properly. Probably should not put water on top of my player. So as I do this, let me update you on what's up with life. Let me see how far this thing will take to disconnect. Oh wait, I don't have to. Japan in Manhattan is hard but interesting. It keeps you hopeful. It's like, because I'm saying one thing about all this is have your script ready. I'm waiting to see what the smoke feels like. I think that's enough. Okay, this.
Engeri jotambula ndaba ngondeze obwongo bukomyewo paka ngogenze skiri yo original oli kudigita oli fukamiza bafather ba criminal oli mudaini nino kale sala wano yo kekuwe masaji ruwala no me fika yo Kampala engeri jotambula kwenda midanda ba.
They have your script ready.
Abala la bandama kwenda midanda tiga vidanda.
Something goes off and then you feel this relief and you're like, what the fuck was that playing on and on? Does it know that the water is Yeah, the humidifier is not humidifying.
Let me clean up my lenses. And all about 6 of them young.
I'm so excited to say the flame bit of this.
No cash, but I'm like I got bars and I do tend to live with your girl and a girlfriend too. We're all about to. We don't second guess moves. Speak make it 2 times zoom. Dressing all black like I'm staging a cool. My life is so good, homie. How about you? Life is so good, nigga. How about you? I said it's a 10, nigga. 5 times 2.
One knows trying to get you to their apps. The apps you can see. Anyway, if I was on this type C. Oh, what I don't find it. Oh, cool. Super cool. Yeah, makes the steam look like a flame. Blue flame. Off. Oh, super cool. But how quiet is it though? Goes by aesthetics English. Boys by boring function things. So thank you for watching my unboxing, and I think this is where no more stop listening, and this is where now I start making notes to my future self. So job hunting is weird. You kind of like be there and it doesn't seem like something is moving, then 1 week everything seems like it's moving, then it crashes you. It's a very very weird state. Something I wanted to say this morning, but I can't remember it. Wait.